Today I'm going to show you how to get your first 3 clients in your first 30 days. Because if you can't get your first 3 clients, your agency will never work. And the truth is, at least for me, most people will fail because they're doing too many things all at once with no clear system. They will literally try everything and end up with 0 results, and they will blame the agency model, and it's not like that at all. So if you do cold email, cold calls, LinkedIn, DMs, ads, content, whatever the fuck it is, you're doing all of this stuff, you will never nail one, which means that you're just being a complete idiot. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get your first 3 clients for your agency in your first 30 days. And this is just using a simple system that we still use to this day, and we also use when we're helping beginners. Now, who the fuck am I and why should you listen to me, right? I'm Jeppe, I'm the co-founder of Marketing, an email marketing agency that does 74,000 euros per month in revenue. Now, I work around 30 hours on this business, profits are around 50K, and I've helped multiple beginners go from 0 to their first clients, often within a few weeks, just following this simple system. You have my YouTube, you have my website, and you can go to my Instagram if you want to know more. Now, step 1, stop trying fucking everything, okay? The biggest mistake a lot of you beginners make is you're trying too many channels at once, okay? So you will send a few cold emails, you will post some more content, you maybe try outreach on Instagram, and then you will switch to another thing after a week. Now, nothing compounds, okay? What actually works is one channel, high volume, for 30 days straight at minimum, okay? Most of you, that should be either cold email, could be LinkedIn outreach, it could be cold calling, it could be Dream 100. You just gotta do one thing, okay? So just do it, because this will work, because it's predictable and it's very controllable, okay? Very easy. Now, the 30-day client system is really simple to follow, okay? So for every 30 days, you will just reach out to 500 qualified prospects, every single, okay? Well, not every day, but within, 30 days, okay? Just keep it simple and personalized, okay? Keep your message simple, just, do it really after the books. Do not go crazy and say a lot of different shit, because that just doesn't work, okay? Track responses and follow the fuck up consistently. You need to follow up consistently, okay? That's literally it. I promise you, if you do this, you will land your clients. Now, you see, there's no complicated funnels here. You don't need a branding. You don't need even a website. You're just going to do shit. I will say, make a website, right? It takes like 5 minutes with AI. Now, it is just consistent outreach, and yes, most people will not reply. That's okay. But you don't need most people. You just need 10 to 20 positive replies, which equals to maybe 5 or 10 calls, and you can get 1 client if you suck at sales. If you do some good, you should have at least, 3 clients, 4 clients if you, are good at sales, okay? And that's it. You just repeat everything that follows. Now, what do you actually say? Most people overcomplicate this, because your goal is not to impress, it is just to start a conversation. You could say, hey John, quick question. Are you currently looking to get more clients for your, roofing business or whatever the fuck you're running? You can say either yes or no, okay? It's literally that simple. Script 2, you can say, hey John, notice you're running a roofing business. Are you currently doing anything to generate more leads via your Facebook ads or Google ads or whatever, right? It depends on what you solve, like generate more leads for your website or whatever, right? You're not pitching as shit, you're just asking. This is kind of like back end, like asking for permission, because most people will, know something is going on here, right? But you're just trying to open the conversation. The first call that you have, once you get these replies, is really simple. You just want to get them on a video call, all right? On the call, when you do the sales, I have a lot of sales guys. I go through my free school course with sales, but you just understand the problem, explain how you can help them, keep it simple, do not overpromise. People are broken by, freelancers and everybody else, like over-promising every single little thing, okay? Your first client just need clarity, confidence, and results. And you need to show that you are experienced and you have the economics that works, the transparency between you and obviously the client, okay? It doesn't need to be perfected at all. You're starting out, everything is shit right now, right? Now, most people will still fail. Why? Because they quit after 5 days. You're trying to launch a business, you're trying to scale your business. What do you expect if you don't put in the amount of work, okay? So either they will overthink, they'll spend too much time in their own head instead of just fucking doing things. Like, just figure the fuck out, right? Rewrite scripts 10 times. You want to perfect things before, actually going and doing. Don't. Just do it 67, 80% of the way, and then just fucking ship it. And if you hesitate to send messages, which ideally just means that you are fearing of rejections, that will stop you before you even start. It's like going up to a girl, you are fearful of talking with that girl, oh man, whatever you want to do, that you don't even take that step. In business, you can't do that. You just gotta fucking do shit, okay? Like pick up the phone, call that business, even if they tell you to fuck off, you just hang up and you go do it again, okay? The edge is not skill, it is just consistency and volume. It's literally that simple. Before we continue, quick reminder, if you wanna go and do this even easier, more simple and faster, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel, right? Go through all my free guides, my frameworks, go through my free school course, link is in the description right down below. Obviously, take all the help that you can get, but what I'm trying to say to you is that go through all this shit, but still do. Like, take action, just figure the fuck out. Because you can watch all my shit, Hormozy, Jeremy Haynes, whoever you are watching, Charlie Morgan or whatever. But if you don't take action, you're just an information junkie, you're just sitting there, mentally masturbating, like you're not even doing anything, right? Getting your first 3 clients is one thing, but if you do not understand how to structure your agency properly, you just end up stuck at 2K, 5K maybe, working all the time, barely making any profit, and then you're wondering, why the fuck did I even start this business? Because, I'm working way more, I'd be better off working a job. That's not what you wanna do, right? So client acquisition is just one part of the whole mathematical equation, okay? The real difference comes from the model that you build your agency on. And that's exactly what I break down in this video on the screen right now. Just click that. This is where I explain why Scandinavian agencies struggle to scale and what actually needs to change. I'm talking about this because I live in Denmark and I work with European and American companies. So obviously Scandinavia, we're kind of weird, right? We are kind of a bit different than the rest of the world. So that video will show you the foundation behind turning a few clients into a real business so you can get time, location, and financial freedom. Now, if you get this part right and you combine it with the right model, you are much closer to building something that actually will work for you. Go grab my free courses, all my free guides, watch that. And if you want any help at all, you can book a free 30-minute coaching call with me. I only host these very rarely, so grab that chance, all right? Peace.